Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. I'm excited to introduce you to tmSERVER, our solution that makes measurement digitalization not just possible, but simple. Think of tmSERVER like a digital conductor in an orchestra. It keeps all the different measurement systems working together in sync, so operators get clean, reliable data without the usual headaches. Let's take a look at how tmSERVER can elevate your entire measurement workflow. At TMC, we support three types of customers: machine operators, fleet owners, and infrastructure managers. No matter where you fit, our goal is the same: to help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Our solution makes digitalization easy, whether you're building machines, running them, or maintaining the infrastructure they operate on. A helpful way to picture tmSERVER is to imagine an orchestra. You've got different instruments, or in our case, different measurement systems, but one conductor keeping everything aligned. tmSERVER makes sure your data stays in harmony in a common live view. After measurement run, post-processing becomes smooth, consistent, and far easier for your teams. In today's world, a lot of measurement systems still run independently. You end up with unsynchronized data, split screens, complicated troubleshooting, and a ton of manual work to correlate everything. And with that setup, preventive maintenance becomes very difficult. These are exactly the challenges tmSERVER is designed to solve. tmSERVER tackles these issues head on. It unifies your systems, keeps everything in sync, and gives operators one clear live view instead of several terminals. You get earlier defect detection, fewer track closures, smoother commissioning, and lower operating costs. And with tmLens, tmSERVER becomes the enabler for true predictive maintenance. So, how does tmSERVER actually do all this? Let's walk through how it orchestrates your measurement systems and brings everything together into one unified environment. tmSERVER has three major strengths: API integration, so it communicates seamlessly with external systems; time and position synchronization using technologies like PTP, NTP, and PPS for extremely precise measurements; data aggregation and distribution, giving you unified live views and clean post-measurement protocols. This combination is what makes complex measurement operations feel effortless. tmSERVER is also the backbone of tmOS, our modular operating environment. It centralizes data, supports micro apps, manages users and roles, and provides both live and historical insights. It's an environment that grows with your organization instead of holding you back. tmSERVER supports a broad lineup of systems: positioning, geometry, environmental sensors, vision systems, radar, corrugation measurements, you name it. If your machine measures it, tmSERVER can integrate it into one clean workflow. tmSERVER makes system setup incredibly fast. Operators can select and configure all measurement systems in just a few clicks. This cuts down preparation time and helps teams start their runs with confidence. Before any measurement run, tmSERVER performs one-click readiness check. This ensures everything is synchronized and functioning correctly, dramatically reducing wasted measurement and repeated work. This is the preview of our upcoming live defect management feature. Instead of switching between several terminals, operators get a single unified view that shows defect in real time. It's simpler, clearer, and much easier to act on during a run. tmSERVER automatically creates job protocols after each run. I have a screencast for you, which I'm going to start. So here we're seeing a live run. and the user is about to stop it. Here we can get a glimpse of the pre-configuration page before a run starts. Here the user can enter method information for the track, can select which systems should be included in the run, and on the right side we see the system statuses. Now let's see what are the system protocols and job protocols for the measurement run we have just seen. So now we're checking the system protocols. Here under the validity columns, we see the status of the processing. The speed system protocol was ready already, and we're waiting for 2 more system protocols to be done with post-processing. Once that's done, we can go to the job management tile and have a view on the job protocol. The job protocol groups all the system protocols together for an excellent overview. tmSERVER eliminates manual documentation work and ensures that all relevant data is stored in a structured and consistent way for reporting and analysis. tmSERVER is already deployed on measurement vehicles, tamping machines, and will be able to be deployed on unmanned vehicles. Its flexibility means it works just as well for new vehicles as it does for retrofits, giving you a consistent experience on any machine type. We have taken tmSERVER from a legacy Windows application to a modern web-based solution inside tmOS. You now get user management, authentication, simpler configuration, and simpler upgrades, along with much lower lifecycle costs. This foundation makes it future ready and scalable. This is the legacy EM1 computer, the traditional onboard server used to collect and distribute measurement data. It's been reliable for many years, but it's now paving the way for our next generation hardware ecosystem. The old 535 panel distributes signals across the vehicle. Its successor, TM Hub, brings better integration, easier installation, and more flexibility, including rack mount features and cleaner wiring. It's designed to support today's and tomorrow's machine architectures. tmSync creates a unified time-based reference across your measurement systems. It distributes time, GNSS, and encoder information and protocols like NTP, PPS, and PTP, ensuring everything stays perfectly aligned. And since it runs on tmMDC, it also supports transmitting tmSERVER data through mobile networks. This slide shows the evolution from legacy VME hardware to modern PCE-based architecture. The new generation is smaller, faster, more affordable, and more future-proof, with built-in AD converters and full sync support. It's a major leap forward in terms of performance and flexibility. tmSERVER is a proven solution with over 120 deployments in 36 countries. This global footprint shows how trusted tmSERVER is and how widely it's used in real-world operations. Here's a collection of some of our legacy reference projects. These deployments highlight years of experience and a proven track record working with different machine types, environments, and customer needs. These are our latest tmOS-based projects, now running in countries like Japan, Austria, and the Netherlands. They show how quickly the next generation of tmSERVER is being adopted by leading operators. If you're interested in tmSERVER, getting started is easy. For new vehicles, we work directly with manufacturers. For retrofits, just tell us what vehicle you have. We'll design a straightforward upgrade path tailored to your machine. Our team makes the process smooth from start to finish. Thanks again for taking the time today. If you'd like to explore how tmSERVER can support you and your operation, reach out to Benjamin Stundner. We'd be excited to help you take the next step towards smarter, more efficient measurement processes. So if you are ready for questions, I would like to receive some. I got the first question. What is your data break for syncing measurement data? Our data break is 25 centimeters, and we will not exceed that. Other data breaks can be discussed if needed. Are there any further questions? Okay. Thank you for joining today. And I'm sure that TMC will have the next webinar ready soon.